Jai Gurudev children, welcome to reading session. Lesson number 9. Why a Nancy has 8 thin legs. Hi, my name is Anansi. I was born in Africa a long time ago. Ever since, people in Africa have been telling and listening to my stories. You may not think so, but I am a smart and clever spider. Let us find out how Anansi got his 8 long and thin legs. Anansi had a big head, a fat body, and 8 short legs. He was always hungry. He loved eating. One day, Anansi went to meet his friend, the rabbit. Oh, let me see. This smells good, said the spider as he entered the rabbit's kitchen. Come, join me for a meal if you like the smell. But give me a while. The potatoes are not cooked yet. Anansi knew that if he waited while the meal was getting cooked, the rabbit would give him some work to do. So, lazy Anansi said to the rabbit, Sorry, friend, I am a bit busy. Call me when the food is ready. I have a thought. Let me spin my web around the pot. Call me when you finish cooking. Just tug on the web and I'll come running. So, Anansi tied one end of his web to his leg. He tied the other end to the rabbit's cooking pot. And then he went away. The monkey next door was cooking beans for dinner. As he walked along, the hungry spider smelled the beans. His mouth watered. Oh, what's cooking? I can smell beans, said the spider as he entered the monkey's kitchen. Come, join me for a meal if you like the smell, but give me a while to cook the beans well. Anansi again thought, if I wait, the monkey will give me work to do. The lazy spider did not want to work. So he said to the monkey, Sorry, friend, I am a bit busy. Call me when the food is ready. I have a thought. Let me spin my web around the pot. Call me when you are finished with cooking. Just tug on the web and I will come running. The monkey said, That's good idea. So Anansi tied one end of his web to his second leg. He tied the other end to the monkey's pot. On his way home, Anansi visited 6 other friends who were busy preparing their evening meals. He visited the tortoise, the hare, the squirrel, the mouse, the fox, and the pig. At each friend's kitchen, he tied a length of his web to one of his legs and other end to the cooking pot. So, all of Anansi's 8 legs were tied to different cooking parts by long lengths of his web. The greedy spider simply loved fooling each of his friends and wanted to eat from every part without doing any work. Anansi was really hungry now. So many meals, I wonder which part of food will be ready first, thought the clever spider. Just then, Anansi felt a tug at his leg. That must be the rabbit with his tasty dish of potatoes, he thought. As Anansi started walking towards the rabbit's house, another string was pulled. Oh, that must be the monkey with his pot of beans. Then he felt another tug, then another and another. Anansi cried in pain. All his 8 legs were being pulled in different directions. To free himself of all the web strings, Nancy jumped into the water. So, one by one, the web strings came off his legs. When Nancy came out of the water, he saw something very strange. All his 8 legs had been stretched. His legs, which were short and fat, had now become thin and long. How could I be so greedy? Thought Nancy. Look at what has become of me. My legs have become thinner and I will now have to cook my own food. That's how Anansi the spider got his 8 thin legs. Thank you, children. Next, book exercise. Number the following events in the order they happened. Anansi met the rabbit who was cooking potatoes. Anansi met the monkey who was cooking beans. Anansi's legs got thinner. Anansi jumped into the water. All the animals tugged the web on Anansi's legs at the same time. Anansi told the rabbit to tug the web when the food was ready. Now, first one. Anansi met the rabbit who was cooking beans. This is the first statement. Next. Anansi told the rabbit to tug the web when the food was ready. Anansi met the monkey who was cooking beans is the third statement. Fourth, all the animals tugged the web on Anansi's legs at the same time. Fifth one, Anansi jumped into the water. Sixth one, Anansi's legs got thinner. Next, who said the following? Circle the correct answers. The potatoes are not cooked yet. Rabbit said this line. Call me when the food is ready, spider or rabbit? The answer is rabbit. But give me a while to cook the beans well, rabbit or monkey? Yes, monkey said this. I wonder which part of food will be ready first, rabbit or spider? The answer is spider. Thank you, children.